Welcome to the Bloom Runner Bloom Workshop. Today we're going to look at different UTSA resources that can help plant seeds for a successful spring 2021 term. This workshop was developed by the Resilience and Retention Advising Team as part of the UTSA Advising. My name is Sarah Tate. I'm a Senior Academic Program Advisor, and I work alongside Brandy Barksdale and Mickey Tenza. This is one of our favorite quotes: stay sharp, be prickly, bloom brightly. And that's what we want all of you to do this spring, is to be able to bloom brightly. So today we're going to discuss 3 areas of wellness that we know, if you take a look at, will help you plant those seeds for a strong and successful spring 2021 term. And so we're going to look at academic health, mental health, and physical health. So what are 3 things you need to know before the term begins that's going to help with your academic health? And the first thing you need to know is your academic standing. So it's important to know whether you're considered in good academic standing, or maybe you're on academic probation or academic warning. And you should know that before the term begins. And so to understand what those terms mean, there are a couple of places that you can go to get more information. The first is the UTSA undergraduate catalog that you can find on the UTSA website, or you can visit UTSA Advising, and we have those standings defined for you. Remember, you're in good academic standing if your UTSA grade point average is above a 2.0. If it falls below a 2.0, your UTSA GPA, you would be considered on academic probation. There are a small set of students that might be considered on academic warning, so it's important to understand the difference between these. The second thing you need to understand are the different calendar dates. So every semester, UTSA produces a calendar that lists all of the payment deadlines, when classes begin, and other important dates. And you can find this through the UTSA One Stop website. So if we take a look at the spring 2021 academic calendar, at the beginning of the page, it's going to give us all of our payment deadlines. And as we scroll down, we'll start to see the academic calendar. Our first day of classes is January 19th. Please remember the university is closed on January 18th for the MLK holiday. And if we start looking further, every month there are important deadlines, whether they're refund dates, drop deadlines, all sorts of information. So it's important to review this prior to the start of the semester so you can add some of these important dates to your calendar. And the third thing you need to know before the semester begins is who's your academic advisor. If you don't know who that is, the easiest way to find it is to log into your DegreeWorks page and look at the top right. Your assigned academic advisor will be listed, and there'll be a hyperlink that you can use to email them. You can also go to the UTSA Advising website, so utsa.edu/advising, and you can look under the Find Your Advisor tab. If for some reason you log on to DegreeWorks and your advisor isn't listed, feel free to contact the unit in which your major is found. So if you're a business major, you could click on Business Studies, and you can find the phone number and general email box in which you could ask who your assigned advisor is through that. So let's talk about some online learning resources. Now that we're still in this online learning model, it's important that you have the tools to be successful. And so the first website you really need to bookmark is our Student Support Gateway. You can think of it as a one-stop shop for all of your tech and academic support resources. You can find all of it in one place. And you can find this through the my.utsa.edu webpage, but this is what it looks like, the Student Support Gateway. And again, everything that you need is listed on this page. So you can look for support if you need to speak to somebody in Tech Cafe because you're having technology issues, you're having Blackboard support issues. If you have internet access, you're curious how to get some campus Wi-Fi or off-campus internet resource access, it's another great link. If you don't quite understand how to remotely get into things at UTSA, like virtual desktops and things like that, this is some great information. What about computer labs or loaner laptops? You can find that information on the Student Success Gateway page as well. And you can look at different course tools, software, and more. The second link you should be familiar with is the Thomas Rivera Center. So not only do they offer tutoring services, but our academic success coaching unit is there as well. And they host the Expert Learner Series every semester, in which they have a series of workshops to help strengthen different tools and skills that you need to be a successful student. So you can visit the TRC at utsa.edu/TRCSS/tutoring. And when you come to this website, you're going to notice that there are virtual office hours available Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, to just get some general information about the TRC. If you need drop-in tutoring, you can click on this link and they're available during these times, or you can schedule a one-on-one tutoring appointment using this calendar link. So if you're looking for more workshops or different online tools, you can come to Academic Success Coaching. You can find more about their workshops. The Expert Learner Series will begin on February 3rd, and they're on Wednesdays from 3 to 3:30. So you can find more information here, and you can learn on how to RSVP as well. The TRC also has some great online resources under Academic Success Coaching. If you're looking for some time management skills, study aids, things like that, this is all at your fingertips and ready to use at any time. You can also scroll down to the bottom of the page and find their different social media accounts. YouTube, they have pre-recorded lectures and workshops that are a great resource to look at. Another great tool is the Student Guide to Online Learning. This tool is great for those that maybe haven't done a lot of online learning or are new to UTSA, and it's a tool that was developed by students for students so that you could understand the course setup and the latest digital tools that UTSA has to offer. It's a 6-module guide that you do on your own, and we highly recommend it. Even if you've been at UTSA, you can always learn something new, and it's a great resource. So mark your calendars. The first class day on Tuesday, January 19th, UTSA Academic Innovation will be hosting a 5 must-haves for a successful digital spring. And you can find more information on this program on Rowdy Link, which we'll talk about in a minute. And then don't forget about the Expert Learner How-To series hosted by Academic Coaching this semester. Congratulations, you finished planning for online learning. So now let's look at the 2 other categories we wanted to discuss. So first, let's look at mental health. Mental health is really important to academic success because when we're mentally healthy, we can also be academically healthy. And so one thing we recommend is to get connected to UTSA. It sounds a little silly that maybe it's hard to get connected in these kind of online times, but we have a lot of great virtual events that are being hosted by UTSA all semester long. And you can find that information on Rowdy Link. And there's all sorts of ways to get involved. You can get involved through a dance club. We'll talk more about some of the physical health opportunities that are available, but a lot of the colleges are doing some showcasing this week. Roadrunner Days is a big thing that's happening this next week, and it has all sorts of great opportunities to get connected. So we really encourage you to look through Rowdy Link for some great events that you can get involved in. The next thing we'd like to look at is these 8 things you can do in 8 minutes. It's a quick TikTok video about 8 things that you can do for a minute each day to help start your day off with mental wellness in mind. There's some great quick tips.
Actually change your life in just 8 minutes every single morning. If you've been feeling the pull for a change, why don't you try these 8 steps every single morning for 30 days and see how your life changes. 1. Make your bed. It's the first task you'll complete of the day and you'll be less inclined to get back into it. 2. Drink a glass of water. You've been fasting for 8 hours, your body's dehydrated, it needs some fluid. Number 3. Breath work. Connect to your life force energy. 4. Meditate. Sit in silence for 1 minute. Meditation exercises our pituitary gland, which releases oxytocin, serotonin, endorphins, relaxants, dopamine. All of the good things that your body naturally produces, you have access to for free. 5. Journal for 1 minute. Get all of your thoughts out on the paper, a stream of consciousness, no matter how messy. 6. Exercise for 1 minute. Do 50 star jumps. Run to the end of your garden. Run to the end of your kitchen. 7. Gratitude. Recite all of the things that you're grateful for and all of the things that you're going to be grateful for as if you've already received them. 8. Read a page of your book or listen to 1 minute's worth of personal development. Master your morning, master your life.
I think it's a great video of some really quick tips to help start your day off on the right foot. I know I've started drinking more water, reading a page every day. It is really a great way to start in a positive light so that you can have a great day and learn a lot. And the last thing we really want to encourage you to do is if you're really struggling with mental health, please seek out help. Counseling and mental health services offers a lot of great services, whether it's group sessions, individual sessions, and even emergency care for our UTSA students. And you can visit their website at utsa.edu/counsel for more information. But one of the things mentioned in the TikTok video had to do with deep breathing exercises and mindfulness. And UTSA Counseling actually has some of these sessions available through RowdyLink and on their webpage. And you can find more information about individual counseling or group counseling on their webpage. So I should really do something. How am I going to get involved? Great way to start is the 2021 Roadrunner Days and Welcome events that start on Saturday. So we encourage you to go to roadrunnerdays.utsa.edu and take a look at some of the virtual events that are starting the week of January 15th and run through the first week of classes. So take a look, see what you would like to get involved in, and log on and join us. So let's talk about our last section, physical health. So we all know that when our bodies are moving, our mind is able to learn better. And so physical health is a really important key to having a successful semester. So one of the great resources that you can use is UTSA Campus Recreation. They have great opportunities on how to keep active and healthy this spring. And they have fitness classes, they even have competitions and healthy learning and living opportunities that you can go to, like cooking classes and things like that. So if you click on the Campus Rec link through UTSA, campusrec.utsa.edu, you can find all of the different resources through their webpage. They even have a women and weights session going on right now and different current activities. So we really encourage you to check them out or visit them on their social media handles. And the last resource for physical health is our student health services. So they have great resources if you're needing medical care. We have COVID-19 testing and even health education. And you can visit their website for the hours of operations. How do you get COVID testing? What about health education? Maybe you need some different forms or you're interested in medical withdrawals, things like that. They have a great amount of information on their webpage. So we thank you for watching our workshop. We're wishing you a great spring. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your assigned academic advisor. Good luck, runners.